In today's video, I'll show you how you can add multiple links in Instagram bio from your mobile device. Unlike Facebook and other social media platforms, you cannot add an external link to Instagram post. However, you can add one link to your bio. Now, businesses will usually add their website, but if your business wants to direct users to different web pages, campaigns, or collab, then you can create one link that leads to a dashboard of other links added by your user on Linktree. This is a pretty simple process. In order to do that, you just have to watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. Just go to any browser on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Once you have opened your browser, search for Linktree. You can also find the link on the description of this video. Now, working from Linktree is really simple because it requires no sign up, no extra plan, no extra place to log in, and it will match your branding because it's already on your own website. It is even easy to set up and it makes those links customizable. So you can just go to get started for free and start customizing your links. I already have an account on this Linktree, so I'll just go to my account. So once you land onto an interface like this, you can start linking. Now the main link you'd like to add on your Instagram bio is this one. So in order to paste this, you need to copy it. And now open your Instagram. Go to your profile by tapping onto your profile icon. And once you land onto your profile, go to the edit profile option and tap on it. On this edit profile option, go to the label website and paste the main URL here. Once you paste it, we go to the done button on the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. By doing that, you will add a URL with a name on your Instagram page. So now let's go back to the Linktree and add multiple links for your Instagram account. Now you can continue adding links by going and tapping on to add new link. By doing that, it opens up the area underneath and all you have to do is type in the title. So I just type in my YouTube channel's name and I go and tap on URL section in order to add a URL for my YouTube channel. Now once I have added a link, go to add new link and repeat the same process in order to add another link to your Instagram bio. I'll name this one short movies so that anyone who would like to watch this can click on the URL and directly watch the movies. Once you are done adding the links, you can see the slider right next to it. You can turn it off and on whenever you like to turn on the link or turn off the link. So as you see a preview of each as you build your list. If you want to rearrange anything, you can just go to the 3 horizontal dots and drag each listing up or down in the list. And release your click when you have the listing where you want it. Now if you want to customize your Linktree, you can choose a different scheme from the settings above. So I like to go and customize the appearance. Now on this page, you can go and select a theme that you want for your links to appear. And once I tap on it, I go back to the Instagram page. And once I'm into my Instagram profile, I go and tap onto the main link. By tapping on it, you can see here you are directed to other links that you have provided on your main link. So if you go and tap on Lo-Fi, you can see you are directed to the Lo-Fi page which I pasted the URL of. The same way, if you go and tap onto the search movies, it will direct you to the last short movies YouTube channel which I pasted the URL of. And if you go to the third one, it will direct you to the URL link of my YouTube channel page. And this was the easiest way to add multiple links to your Instagram account from your mobile device. This is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.